Welcome to Clifton Hill, guys. I'm Max Liu. Are you a tourist? You're looking for some things to do? I'm here to tell you what you can do right here in Clifton Hill, a major tourist area. Let's go. Behind me right there is Wizards Golf. This is where you can go with your friends to get some nice competitive games going in a cool environment. And of course, right here is the Canada Trading Company, where you can grab a souvenir. And if you're foreign, definitely stop here for something Canada related, because right after you get something by the shop, you walk down there and you're right at the falls. Stay to the end of the video, and guess what? We're gonna be showing you guys the fireworks and of course the Festival of Lights. Let's go. Guys, behind me is the Niagara Skywheel. Now, if you don't want to spend too much money to hop on a helicopter ride, that place, getting a ticket there is gonna put you over 100 feet in the air, where you can look at the States, the falls, the Clifton Hill, everything below. This baby is 100 feet high. You can't miss it. Right after Ferris wheel, come on. You got Timmy's behind me, a Canadian staple. You gotta stop by and get your ice cap now. All right, guys, it's getting chilly outside, so we're gonna hop into the car. We're already in the car. We're gonna head down on Clifton Hill, and we're gonna go look at the lights and the fireworks. We're gonna get you guys a close-up view. Look out for that. Driving down Clifton Hill, it's only about a minute or two to get all the way to the bottom. Once you're at the bottom, you're gonna wanna make a right, and that's where you can really enjoy not only the lights, but the falls itself and all the people around to experience it all together. Listen, I hope you guys enjoy the lights as well as the fireworks. We're leaving the Clifton Hill now. It was a busy night, but come on, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.